Today I'm going to show you a powerful tool called Sherlock that can search for usernames across hundreds of websites in just seconds. And the best part, it's completely free and surprisingly easy to use. So what exactly is Sherlock? Sherlock is what we call an OSINT tool. OSINT stands for Open Source Intelligence. Think of Sherlock as a superpowered detective that searches for a specific username across more than 300 different websites at once. So since I'm on Kali, I can just type Sherlock, then -H for the help menu. And with that, I'll be presented by the help menu of Sherlock. So what I want to do, I just need to write Sherlock. Then I'm going to provide a username that I want it to search for. And boom, Sherlock starts working its magic. You'll see results starting to pop up in real time as it finds matches across different platforms. When it's done, it's going to give you a summary and then it will be able to save the results in a TXT file. So if I say ls, okay, you can see we have a text file with the username that we searched here. You can click any of the links to visit those profiles directly. As you can see, I'm able to be presented by the YouTube account of the user that I searched. Like any tool, Sherlock is not perfect. Some websites change their layout and security features, which can break Sherlock's ability to check them out. The developers are constantly updating it, but they might be times where certain sites don't work. If someone uses different usernames across platforms, Sherlock won't be able to connect the dots for you. It only searches for the exact username that you provided. Popular usernames might show up on tons of sites but belong to completely different people. Like for example, a lot of results here might not belong to the iShowSpeed that we know. So yeah, it might be people creating account to be that particular person. So that's it, Sherlock in a nutshell. It's a powerful free tool that makes finding usernames across the internet incredibly easy. If you find this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Drop a comment below and let me know what username you searched for, or if you have a question, I'll do my best to answer them. The link to Sherlock's official GitHub page is in the description below, along with the installation guides and more resources. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.